Hey guys, if you're looking for some passive income and if you're looking to earn something, I would say get into Theta Network and burn some T fuel, earn some T fuel. So let's get into Theta Network. If you see, it's already $6.6 billion market cap and the supply is close to 1 billion. Okay, so they are going to mainnet 3.0. They would be able to run the edge node and the guardian node. So basically the edge node and guardian node are two nodes which are there as part of mining, and then this edge node is basically used by the end users who can mine T fuel. Okay, so I would show you how do you mine T fuel and then how do you download this. Okay, and then configure it. So if you go to theta.token.org, so you will find all the details about the project. The team is huge. So if you see, there are validators from Google, Sony, Samsung and other major companies. Even Binance also supports this. So download the edge node and then go about configuring it. It's close to 171 MB. After you download it, just configure it, install the Theta edge node, and once you install the Theta edge node, you would be able to see something like this, and you can see that what is your address that you're running the Theta edge node on, and you will see the daily income where you are encoding the videos which are coming as part of this. Basically Theta edge node takes whatever comes from Theta TV and other nodes and then tries to mine, get the job, downloads the job and mines the job, and then return back the video after the encoding is done. That's how it works. So currently if you see the edge worker, it would take around 7 days to complete this job. If you have a high-end laptop or a desktop or a miner where you can, I mean, at least a GPU, it would be more faster compared to running it on a CPU. But if you want to earn something passive, I think Theta edge node is a good one where you can earn T fuel on daily basis. If you see on 26th, on 25th, I was able to mine and get 0.18, 0.16. So try to grab this, and as it is only edge worker that you are doing and you don't have to invest anything on this, it's just that you have to run a node and then keep it active. Okay guys, so if you like the videos, subscribe to my channel and have a good day guys. Bye.